Welcome to the Galloway by HHHunt Homes.
This beautiful home can include up to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Designed with you in mind, this floor plan combines luxury with the ease of first-floor living. Let's check it out. What is not to love about this massive family room? A large open area with a lot of natural light, and it opens to a deck or optional screened-in porch. Right off your family room is the heart of the home, your kitchen. You will have plenty of cabinets, counter space, and a walk-in pantry. The nook is perfect for morning coffee and your favorite breakfast pastry. This or the dining room are perfect for parties and gatherings. Check a laundry room off your list. Also on the first floor, your owner's suite. With several options, you can truly personalize this space. This is your retreat. Welcome to the second floor. This is the loft. This multi-use space is perfect. Use it for how you live, an office, additional entertaining space, or maybe even a library. Your bedrooms are flooded with natural light and large spacious closets.
This home also offers second floor bathrooms, bedroom options, and a bonus room.
For more information on this beautiful home, visit HHHuntHomes.com because at HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters.